showing you my jumping skills, Liz.
You want me?
I've never seen a red dun jumper. Hi. May I help you? Thank you. The adopted little pony sister appreciates this offering of kindness. Here, I have a present for you. This might not interest you for a few more weeks, but you can try it. No, you're interested in the... I give up. I've been chosen. That's not hay. That's... No. Thank you for the bangs.
I think if I bite everywhere, maybe I'll find the place the milk comes out.
It's not normal for you to think this is normal. Hi.
Oh, you just got slime.
That's it. No. The box is off the ground. Don't kick me. No. You're like a dog.
Your tail's wagging.
Look at the monster you created, Liz.
Hi.
What's your little